Hi everybody, thank you for watching my video on physics. In this video, I shall introduce to you some mathematical relationships which are commonly used in physics. There are many types of relationships between two quantities. The first is increase with. Let's consider the relationship between the mass of a boy and his age. Before becoming an adult, the mass of the boy increases as he gets older. We say that the boy's mass increases with his age. The relationship is not linear, and there is no equation to represent this relationship. Now, let's consider the sleeping hours of the boy. When he is a baby, he may sleep for the whole day. But when he gets older, the number of sleeping hours will decrease. We say that the number of sleeping hours decreases with age. Again, the relationship is not linear. Next, directly proportional. Now, let's consider heating an object. The heat supply Q and the change in temperature delta T are related by Q equal to C times delta T. We say that Q is directly proportional to delta T. Graphically, delta T against Q is a straight line passing through the origin. At the origin, Q equal to 0 and delta T equal to 0. This is reasonable because when Q equal to 0, there is no heat supply. The temperature remains unchanged, that is delta T equal to 0. Remember, for directly proportional, the graph is a straight line passing through the origin. When one quantity is 0, the other must also be 0. Next, linear relationship. In heating an object, the TQ graph is a straight line, but unlike delta TQ graph, it may not pass through the origin. We cannot say that T is directly proportional to Q. Instead, we say that T changes linearly with Q. In a heating curve, T increases linearly with Q. In a cooling curve, T decreases linearly with Q. Next, inversely proportional. In the delta TQ graph, the slope is equal to the vertical side divided by the horizontal side of the triangle. Since delta T over Q is equal to 1 over C, the slope of the graph is 1 over C. We say that the slope of the graph is inversely proportional to the heat capacity. A larger slope corresponds to a smaller heat capacity. Therefore, Y has a smaller heat capacity. Conclusion. When we heat an object, the change in temperature delta T is directly proportional to the heat supply Q. The temperature T varies linearly with the heat supply Q. The slope of the TQ graph is 1 over C, is inversely proportional to C. Question. Find the heat capacity from the given TQ graph. Be the first to write your answer in the comment below. You may comment on the answers of other people. Thank you for watching.